Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang. We're talking about that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relays for the radiator fans are located. You may have up to 3 relays. Stay with us, we'll explain where to find that relay, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here let's explain what we have specifically. 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, the video should be helpful and should show you where that relay is located. 3 relays that we'll need to check. Need to open that fuse box here, press that notch, lift up, and right here on the back side, guys, you're going to have fuse numbers. Good news, these fuse numbers here, okay, let's just move the fingers out of the way a little bit. These fuse numbers correspond to what we have specifically right here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for, so that's why we decided to make the video and save you time and money. So let's continue now. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, guys, we need to check 3 relays now. If you need to buy replacement relays, fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Here we'll need to check first relay number 77, talking about that relay right here. Then we'll need to check, guys, relay 89, talking about that relay right here. And then checking relay 91 right there. These 3 relays, guys, okay, this and this will need to be checked for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.